Hi guys, this is Shelly with Shelly Cooks. Today I'm going to be straining my strawberry stems. Now that may sound a little weird, but these are strawberry stems that I put in vinegar, and the stems are from when I made jam in the summer. And I save these and put them in vinegar, and it creates the most delicious strawberry vinegar you have ever tasted for your vinaigrettes or whatever you want to use it for. So I typically will use organic strawberries when I can. And these are the stems from those. And then I just top it up with just plain white vinegar. And I will shake it every once in a while. I keep it in a dark place in my pantry, and it's cool in there as well. And I'm just going to show you how beautiful this is. These are the jars that I will decant it in, and it just makes a really, really nice Christmas gift, or just a gift, you know, that you want to give to your friends to share. And you feel better because you're using all of your berries. Everything that you've, you know, sort of purchased, you're using all of it and making good use of it all. So I actually have two. I still have some left from last year, but this is ready to do. And this is like one of the chores that I kind of want to get done and over with. So first I drain it through a strainer like this. And then what I will do is I will put it through a fine sieve that's covered in a cheesecloth. So there, that's pretty good. Get rid of that. Pull that up. So there's not too much else we can do with these now. So I have my fine strainer ready here with the cheesecloth in it. And let me make sure I've got that lined up perfectly so that we don't get anything in it. And I am going to just start doing this. And this will get out every seed, and so that when we decant it, it will look absolutely beautiful in our bottles, and it'll make a fantastic gift. Just take your time. These bottles can actually be quite expensive. So I was very fortunate. I purchased these on Facebook Marketplace, and I got them for a really decent price. And I use them over and over again for vanilla, for my vinaigrettes. By the way, you can do the same thing with any fruit that you use. You can do it with apple cores, for example. You could do it with apple cores to the point of making apple cider vinegar. You can do it with pears. Those are the only other two things that I have used it with. There we go. Bring it over here. I have my little funnel, and I will start decanting it. You wouldn't believe the incredible strawberry flavor you get from this. I should say that, as you know, this here has been, as I said, I did my strawberries in late spring, early summer. So this has been in a cool, dark place for a good, let me see, 6 months. Shake it up every once in a while, and then you get to enjoy it. No longer do you have to pay for expensive vinaigrettes to make a salad dressing or whatever you would use it for. Whoopsie, sorry about that noise. We get a nice, strong strawberry flavor from this. And scent as well. Something nice to gift to special people. Okay. So, thank you for joining me. This is a real simple process. Save your strawberry stems, add a little vinegar to them, and you get a fantastic product that by Christmas you can gift to friends and family. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.